Today is Wednesday, August 9th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Brake Assist Hydro Booster. This is a full level 10 restoration for my friend Shabazz in Virginia for his 1976 Seafoam Mist Green Eldorado. The unit was completely disassembled. It is a level 10 restoration. All the seals replaced and the spooling valve, which was sticking, has been replaced. Okay, so we replaced the spooling valve, all the seals. The unit has been calibrated, checked for fluid integrity from a hydraulic standpoint, and calibrated. So the unit is ready for shipment. As soon as I get Shabazz's okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Wednesday, August 9th. Thank you very kindly.